and cauliflower. This is how I make chicken stir fry with broccoli and cauliflower. There you go. So this is the all ingredients I'm gonna use for my chicken stir fry, broccoli and cauliflower. So I have here sliced onion, garlic, orange bell pepper, a broccoli and cauliflower, chicken breast sliced already, marinade with ground black pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark sauce. So if you want this recipe, just check it out in the description below. After 1 minute, add the broccoli. Broccoli is only 1 minute. Set aside. Deep fry chicken breast for about 2 minutes. Add chicken stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground black pepper, then add broccoli and cauliflower. Alright. Chicken stir fry with broccoli and cauliflower. You don't need to healthy dish, chicken stir fry with broccoli and cauliflower. Got it. This is how I make chicken stir fry with broccoli and cauliflower. There you go. Let's gonna try it. Super tasty. On this recipe, just check it out in the description below. I'll write it down, all the recipe and the procedure. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless you all.